Today I'm cooking a simple version of pineapple fried rice for lunch. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 3 cups of cooked rice. Today I'm using basmati rice. 1 cup of pineapple cut into 1 cm cube. For pineapple, I recommend using a sweet type of pineapple like Josephine. This is what it looked like. Choose the pineapple that is slightly yellow at the bottom and green on the top like this pineapple. 200 grams of minced pork, 2 chicken eggs, 4 tablespoons of roasted cashew nuts, 1 stalk of spring onions, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of Thai curry powder. This is what it looks like. If you can't find this brand, the closest curry powder is the Watch brand curry powder. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/2 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of garlic oil, and 1 tablespoon of crispy fried garlic. We start with cracking the eggs. I like to crack the eggs in a separate bowl. This is to ensure if one egg is bad, it will not contaminate the rest of the other eggs. Alright, the eggs are ready. Put it aside. Next, cooking the minced pork. Heat the pan to high heat. Add in 1/2 tablespoon of garlic oil. Use the spatula to spread the oil around the pan and wait for the oil to heat up. Next, put in the minced pork. Spread it over the oil around the pan. Add in all light soy sauce, 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of crispy fried garlic, and 1 teaspoon of curry powder. Give it a stir for about 2 minutes or until the minced pork are cooked. Alright, minced pork is cooked. Switch off the heat and remove them all from the pan. Next, cook the eggs. In the same pan, add 1/2 tablespoon of garlic oil. Switch on the heat. Spread the oil around the pan. The oil should heat up faster this time as the pan is still hot from cooking the pork. Pour in the eggs. Sprinkle 1/8 teaspoon of salt on the eggs. And a little pepper. Leave some pepper to add in with the rice. Sprinkle a little spring onions. Give it a stir for about 25 seconds. Eggs should be cooked really fast. Alright, eggs are cooked. Switch off the heat and put the egg aside. In the same pan, add in all the balance of garlic oil. Switch on the heat to medium. Use the spatula to spread the oil around the pan. Add in all the rice and spread it around the pan to get the heat. Add in all the oyster sauce, or the curry powder, or sugar, the rest of pepper, and the rest of the salt. Give it a stir for about 30 seconds or until rice and seasonings are well combined. Gently stir as we don't want to break the grains of the rice. Basmati rice is a long grains type and might easily break. Alright, this is perfect. Next, add in the minced pork, all of the eggs, pineapple, all of crispy fried garlic, and some chopped spring onions. Leave just a bit for garnishing later on. Give it a stir to continue to cook the pineapple for about 3 to 4 minutes so that pineapple will release its juice once it is cooked, infusing its fragrance and sweetness to the rice. The cooking time also depends on your preference. If you prefer crunchy pineapple pieces, the cooking time should just be about 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes and a half, the pineapple should be perfectly cooked. See, it is slightly soft and its color has also changed to darker yellow. Now I can give it a taste. Delicious. At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred, but for this, it is perfectly delicious. Switch off the heat. Next, add in all the roasted cashew nuts. Give a couple of stirs, and the simple perfect pineapple fried rice is ready to be served. Let's eat! Wow, very delicious. Pineapple is soft, sweet and fragrant. It combines really well with the curry powder taste and fragrance. Every bite has a bit of crunchiness from cashew nuts. Lovely! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified on the next simple home cooked recipe. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!